Hey everyone, Ariel Adams here with aBlogtoWatch at SIHH 2019. I want to speak for a moment about the Audemars Piguet Code 1159. Finally, Audemars Piguet has come out with a brand new watch. This is something that we've been asking for a long time. And the watches, from a construction perspective and from a finishing perspective, are actually quite nice. There are 41mm wide round cases. They're only in precious metals, and there's new movements, including a new 3-hand automatic movement, as well as finally an integrated chronograph. These elements of the watches are quite nice. Where the Code 1159 fails, in my opinion, are the dials. They are very, very difficult to read. Audemars Piguet can definitely do better, and I think they will. The watches start at about $25,000, which is a lot, and they said that they're only going to make about 2,000 watches per year. It's definitely something to watch, but they're not quite there yet. You can see more about the Audemars Piguet Code 1159 on aBlogtoWatch.